Tip of the day: use the previous levels to spot key zones. Head over to the Indicators tab and open the Orderflow and Open Interest category. Here, you'll find three powerful tools: previous day levels, previous week levels, and previous month levels. As the name suggests, these track the high, low, open, and equilibrium of BTC across different timeframes. They often act as strong support or resistance zones and become even more effective when combined with other indicators. Here's how to use them. Previous day levels are best for short-term setups on lower timeframes. Use previous week levels on the 1-hour chart for more reliable signals. On the other hand, previous month levels are ideal for higher timeframes to map the broader trend. For example, notice how the previous month's high recently acted as resistance, leading to a rejection. These levels can create high reward to risk opportunities and help you trade with more confidence.